entertainment purposes only. I'm just gonna real quick explain the conversion one more time because there's some people in my YouTube channel that are just giving me comments that are just making my head hurt, man. Like someone posted, let's see, goatee for JC31. This didn't age well. AMC over 6 and APE still down. Ha ha ha. Look, man, APE is up, hit 210, is hitting around $1.90 right now. AMC is down 7.7% on the day to day, which I don't want, but it doesn't matter. The conversion works like this. When APE is converted, it's going to take value from AMC shares, legacy shares. It's going to take value from that, so the APE shares value up, so we have one even flow. That's the whole point of the conversion. You guys holding legacy AMC, when this converts, you're going to lose up to 30% on your AMC shares overnight. It's how it works. This is the whole point. Adam Aron is taking money from retail AMC common stock investors and giving it to the APE converted investors. He wants that because APE is controlled by institution. It's gonna happen, right? This is why I've been telling everybody from day one. Anybody screaming, oh, AMC is gonna squeeze out, blah, blah. It may squeeze, I don't know. It doesn't matter though if you own APE. If you own APE, it is a preferred unit of a preferred share. 100 APE units makes one preferred stock that is held by Computershare. Preferred stock always gets paid out first after bondholders in a bankruptcy. Common stockholders will get nothing, absolutely zero, nothing, except their feelings hurt. But the point is, if AMC goes up, I don't care if it goes to $100, that is even better for APE conversion. It's even better for APE shareholders because when APE converts into common stock, AMC, the old AMC stockholders are going to lose 30 to 40% of the value on their share, and it's going to be given directly to the converted APE shareholders. So everybody's screaming, AMC common stock's the play. Bro, I own preferred stock that's going to become the new common stock. So yeah, you're right, AMC common is the play, but not AMC common legacy stock. You guys are going to lose 30% overnight. So if you have a cost average of $10, you are gonna wake up to a 10-to-1 reverse split. Your new cost average is gonna be $100, but your shares are gonna value down by 30% or more. And if you have APE shares, they're gonna get 10-to-1, meaning if you have 100 shares of APE, 100 APE units, you're gonna have 10 brand new shares of AMC, but they're gonna be valued up more. Your cost average will be way lower on those ones. If you bought, let's say, APE at $1.60 and you bought 100 shares, you're gonna have 10 AMC shares with a cost average of 16 instead of your regular AMC shares that you bought at 10 with a cost average of 100, but your $16 APE shares converted are gonna be worth more. They're gonna be higher value because they're gonna take value from your AMC and give it to your APE converted shares. So when I get comments like this on YouTube, I'm just wondering, like, and I'm trying to be nice, but the stupidity is unreal. I've explained this 100 times. And if you lose money at this point, honestly, if you don't listen or you have not put in the DD or you have not read the rulings, you have not read the 8K, then you're gonna lose money and you get what you deserve at this point. I'm sorry, but that's just what it is. Not even last Friday over the weekend for 30 minutes, everybody, you're wrong, oh my God, Froggy's an idiot, and then look at this. We smacked 210 after hours yesterday on APE. We're trading in this channel, which is $1.80 to $1.95 now, meaning by my chart, we've already now hit another higher low, which is really good. Meaning when you have higher lows, you're getting ready for a major breakout, a consistent higher low over a long period of time into a major breakout. Now what we're gonna get is we're gonna get the $1.80 to the $1.95 channel breakout. Probably later today, it's gonna tap $1.95 again. Then into the conversion news, it's gonna break out. We're gonna go to the gap fill 240, 250 range, or I think it's actually 250, 260. Then we're gonna get halts on corporate news coming out. They're gonna wanna halt the stock. Shorts are gonna come in after the halt into the conversion, start covering a lot of legacy AMC shares. And then we're going to open up, hopefully, at these current prices right now we're sitting, we could open up at 40 bucks. That would be absolutely amazing. That means my APE shares would value up over 200%. And I can choose to sell right then and there, get out of the play with a fat 200%, and I don't have to do nothing for the rest of the year. Now, the potential for AMC to run post-conversion into that short covering and some FTD clearing, I'd say that about 10 to 15% of the short interest should be covered. If Adam Aaron is going to raise, let's just say on the high end, $4 billion, you don't want to be short a company that just raised $4 billion in cash that can go and pay out their bondholders and clear deferred rent and debt into movies like Barbie and Oppenheimer and a pretty good summer that I think did better than most people expected. And of course, Sound of Freedom. You can't forget Sound of Freedom. Even though it seems like a lot of AMC theaters have trouble streaming Sound of Freedom, and a lot of other theaters around the world, but my small hometown theater in Beaverton, Michigan, the Gem Theater, they played Sound of Freedom. They're a one-screen theater, sold out every night for a full week. So props to them. Great movie. Other than that, you guys, I know people come into my YouTube comments to mess with me because you're jealous, you're sad, you lost all your money on AMC because you didn't listen to Mark Cohodes, you didn't listen to me, didn't listen to Terrible, didn't listen to Elohim, Sugar, PJ, Amy, you just didn't listen to them. And it sucks. I don't want anyone to lose money. Even if you don't like me, I don't want you to lose money. You probably got kids or an angry wife or an angry ex-wife with kids or, you know, a pet gerbil or something, but y'all need to eat. So again, here we are, APE, $1.85 up 3% on the day, AMC 539 down 7.5% on the day, 8% now, but that's still not bad. If we convert at $2 and $6, that is a $40 AMC converted share price open, in my opinion, into potential short covering. And if we could see 70 bucks again, I will sell my total position. I don't care about anything further than that. I'm not going to look back. That's more money than I need on a single play. There are other better plays out there you could be making instead of being locked into AMC all the time, earning 0% interest, possibly taking losses. It's absolutely crazy. I get the squeeze play, but there was 30 other stocks that squeezed out that we got into, and I should have been talking about it more, but I was banned on YouTube for talking about a medical company that rhymes with Schmeiser. So I won't do that again. But anyways, guys, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Adam Aaron dropped an open letter to shareholders. If you haven't, go read that. There's a new 8K, not an 8K, but there's a new filing from AMC talking about the earnings call coming up on August 8th, meaning they're going to have the annual probably September sometime. I hope they do it soon. I hope Judge Zern comes out and makes a new ruling or a new opinion on the refiled consolidated statements filed with the court very soon so that we can get this conversion underway. That way, people who have AMC under 10 bucks, if your cost average is under 10 and you don't want to sell, I get that. You may actually break even, or if you're at like a $5 AMC cost average and we run 55, 60, you're in the green, right? Post-conversion. I'm 100% in on APE because I sold all my AMC back when we hit 910 during the DRS pushes, because every time me and Froggy did a DRS push, we got a 30, 40% run. But then all the haters came out, Cat Striker, a bunch of people, and now a lot of them switched to the other side of the fence after Adam Aaron did the one earnings call where he talked about DRS and short selling, and everybody said, Spence is vindicated again. Ape Radio, clowns. Cat Striker didn't like DRS just because she's got a bone to pick with people over her failed Ken Griffin billboard campaign. All that money that went to Ken Griffin billboards could have went into your portfolios, into stock. And Ken Griffin probably isn't even the real enemy. It's more like BlackRock, Susquehanna, and said. I'm not saying he's not bad, but as far as things go with AMC, Antera, BlackRock, Mudrick, White Square Capital, those guys were the ones messing with us the whole time. But my broom was killing everything in my house. But anyways, guys, looks like AMC's coming back down to earth. I didn't want to see that. APE's going to creep. We'll probably bounce $1.80 again. We'll see more action. If you notice, every time in the after hours, there seems to be some kind of event. That's probably short sellers coming in, covering a little bit of stock, repositioning. That way, you know, they don't get halted into some covering during the daytime. But either way, you guys, thank you for commenting stupid stuff. If you don't like me, it just helps my views on YouTube anyways. So yeah, August 8th is the earnings. I'll probably stream that. We'll have a space call just like we always do. And hopefully during the earnings call on August 8th, they announce the conversion, because this Friday, there is an AMC bond that is callable, meaning Adam Aaron can go and buy it back, but he's going to have to pay a premium for it. 37% is what the bond's valued at right now. It's absolutely crazy. Some of them you can't even buy anymore because they are all eaten up by the market. The bondholders are short AMC. That's why they love conversion. They want APE converted because they're long APE, short AMC, long the bonds. So they're going to short AMC down into conversion, which is going to let them cover, say, at $3, right? Their APE's going to fly through the roof into the new AMC shares. They're going to sell those. They cover their shorts. They make a bunch of cash. They help pump the price for Adam Aaron to raise capital. And then they get paid back out for the bonds and they reshort again. So that's what we're looking at, guys. It's that simple. I mean, if you're locked into this AMC common as the only play thing, good for you. Wish you the best of luck. Please keep dropping your stupid comments in my chat. I absolutely love it. It helps the algos, and I get to kick my YouTube money out to my favorite charities. So appreciate you guys. And anybody that's in here dropping nice comments, thank you very much. Please like, sub, share the video. You guys, we're just near the finish line, and I'm really hoping that we don't leave anybody behind this time like we did at 72. So you guys have a great day. If I get any